Please see, this is our swivel eyeball, and when you use that, you can do the first step is put that ridge on the hurricane hole, and then put it on the mood, on your mood, and then twinkle. Please make sure when you twinkle this ridge will be tight on this one, not lose that. If you lose that, that will be swivel. And then you can use the hurricane ridge and tighten them again. And make sure it's tight, very tight, and you can use it. So you can see that is 360 degree for swivel rotating, and when you put that on, that will be tight and not swivel again. So then you can use it. Yes, that is loose the hoist ring. You will see you need to put the ridge on it and then loose it. Yes, that's finished after the use. Hope you can know that.